Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain my ServiceNow education organization system project. This project is designed to manage students, faculty, courses, admissions, and student progress in one application. Here we can see application and table. Here you can see in application search for tables type. First, I created an application called educational organization management system. Inside this application, I create different tables to manage the required information. So we can see. So in system definitions, I search for tables and click here. I create a Salesforce table. Just search. So we can see there Salesforce table. Under under this table, we can create some fields. Here father, student name. Here we can show here show form. Click here show form. We can see here you can see number, admin day, student name, grade, father name, mother name, father said, mother said. Here we can see this is fields in the Salesforce form. Here grade is the choice field. Here enter father name, mother name, father said, mother said, and then submit this form. So this is student details. Just I save. We can save, right? Then go back and again we created admission table. This is Salesforce table, right? Here we can see number is auto number. Then go back. Again can create admission table. Here admission management. In the admission management module, we can maintain student admission details. The admission number can be generated automatically, which helps reduce manual work. So we can see here. Student management. Next in the student management module, here we can store and manage student information such as student details, course information, and other required fields. Here this is admission. Here extend tables is Salesforce table, right? Here also we can, here extend table is Salesforce, right? Here which in Salesforce table we can create some fields, right? Here in admission table also it automatically come here. Here we can see here new in progress, join, rejected, rejoined, cancel, close up. Here this is process field, right? Here I enter one admission. Here auto populate a student name, father name, mother name. We can see some fees, grade. Here we can see two sections, right? Comments, school details, address. We can use form design to create this. Here admission status is also a choice field. We can see school details. Again, we can see address field, pin code, house number, mandal, area, city, district, right? So after this, we can fill all details. We can see fees, enter fees section. After complete all these details, just submit this form. Here we can see. Here administration status is new, right? That's why here we can see green color button new. When here changes to join in progress, we can see here in progress. It automatically populates to in progress. So we can see price. I selected type, right? Currency. Just I update and go back again. Here we can see some record. Here we can see it automatically populates to in progress. So here admission status is join in progress, right? Here we can see admission status is closed. That's why we can see green button at close it. So we can configure, we can see client scripts. Here we can create two scripts, auto-populated pin code update. So we use script as on change. Type is on change. For admission number, here we create pin code update. This also type is on change. We can write some script, right? Mandal. When we select one incident number, it automatically populates. Again, go to student progress table. Here, the main advantage of this project is automation. Here we can see in student progress, we can add some fields. Can show form. Click on show form. We can see here. When I click admission number, automatically fill student name, grade, father name, mother name, cell. Here student progress. Here we can add some subjects, right? When I give marks here, we can automatically calculate result total percentage. We can see here. Here below 35 it gives fail status. Result is false. When I give above 35 marks, it gives result is pass. Here just a reload. Here when I give admission number, it automatically populates student name grade, right? Just I refresh, we can see the result is fail. Again I will give. Here this some marks, some subject marks are below 35, right? We can see result total percentage. It auto populated. When I give marks, result total percentage is auto populated, right? Here I can add some client script. Here we can see when I select admission number, student name, grade, father name, automatically populate and read only. We can't edit, right? Again, I see you. This is script, client scripts, percentage, auto populate, result, total update, disable fields. We can see type is onload, right? We can here. The type is on change. I select field name as max. So we can add total. When I change field max works, it automatically populates total result percentage. Here I give some conditions. Here field name is admission number, right? When I select admission number, it automatically populates student, grade, father name, mother name, cell, right? This is field name is total. It automatically calculates total. So this is client scripts in ServiceNow. So here we can see when I enter max is 400. Here we can see some error message. Percentage should be between 0 and 100, right? So this is educational organization management project in ServiceNow. Here the final output is finally this project provides a centralized system for managing educational organization data. It helps reduce manual work, improves accuracy, and makes student and organization management easier. So this is practical ServiceNow project that can be useful for freshers to understand tables, application forms, modules, scripting, and automation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more ServiceNow tutorials and projects.